There is a lot of speculation and knowledge circulating these days on the topic of self love. Do you know there is nothing called self love? It's just another robotic term or mechanism to convert you into a narcissist. In actuality, who is a narcissist? Who is totally in love with I, me, myself, or let's say self obsessed? So that's what self love has converted into. Materially upgrading yourself, only caring about your emotions, yourself, your respect, your passion, whatnot, everything just you. The whole world should revolve around you. They should obey you. You should matter. Your boundaries are everything is around revolve, and that's one way of looking at things. When reality, you should love yourself. I'm not saying that's not real. Of course, charity begins from home, so self love also begins from somewhere inside of your own heart center. And you have to have that mindset for yourself that a figure you should be able to transform into one that you can love and respect, you should be able to convert yourself into such a person who can live with precious dignity, and that dignified self should be that self that you can also relate to, accept, and love. Exactly. But it's not about fulfilling all the aims, wishes, and dreams. It's just about finding who you truly are and are made for. That's when you realize what true love is about loving all of us, because all of us are one with divine. So divine knowledge and let's say divine love was the gift, and that's real love. So when you love all, you of course have to love yourself as well, but you have to learn how to share, how to be kind, how to be compassionate, to be caring and nurturing and whatnot with others as well. And that's called developing love bonds, love relations, serving with love, giving love, being charitable. And that's the essence who you truly are, the angelic you, true angel you, the divine you. Because the divine begins with the self, and your real self is actually the soul self, which is the part of the, let's say, the wave, which is the same wave as the ocean. That is the divinity, that is the true home, that is the, of course, God's love. That wave is inside of you. So that's how you cultivate it, not by the way the others teach you or the self-help coach generally tell these days and convert kids into self-obsessed weirdos, maniacs, Gen Z, whatnot, spiders weaving around just to get Maya. But it's much deeper. Peace.